Court's calling 2020 CR 10450, State of Texas versus Roelio Sanchez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense?
Familiar Scott. Bridget was here. She had to go down to 186.
All right, and I'll note she's the second chair, correct? Any objection to proceeding without Ms. Garza?
No objection.
Any objection from the state? Any objection from you, Mr. Sanchez?
No.
All right, counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Sanchez, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, sir.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor. One, we're waiving the repeated enhancement paragraph.
Okay.
We're waiving the repeated enhancement paragraph, Your Honor, and then also reducing to the lesser included offense of murder, first degree.
Any objection?
Okay.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
You understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of murder. That's a first degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you're giving up those rights?
Yes.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of this offense?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sanchez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on murder. Your punishment is to be assessed at 25 years in the prison. There's an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon. There are no applications. The state will take in consideration 2020 CR 10474A. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes, sir.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counselor, have there been any such motions?
Oh, yes.
Then to the offense of murder, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with all of its attachments.
No objection.
Going to show you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
State's ready to proceed, Your Honor.
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just let the court follow the agreement.
All right, the court will sentence you to 25 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. Take in consideration 2020 CR 10474A. There's an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon. showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you. Thank you, Mr. Cox.
Your Honor, we do have just a reading of a victim impact.
All right, so there's a victim impact.
Yes,
Who's to read the victim impact?
the advocate Rose, would
Okay,
you like to proceed, Your Honor?
yes.
I doubt that whatever we say will have any kind of impact on you. But your action on June 28th, 2020 and July 4th, 2020 will forever have an impact in Adrian's, Bella's, and in the lives of all of us, family and friends who loved her. We have been diligently watching every single hearing since the very first one, patiently waiting for justice to be served. It's been more than 3 years now. We're not sure of what will happen today will be justice. The state of Texas presented you with a plea deal, and of course you decided to take it. We wish Adrian would have had a saying in the matter and what happened to him. He had no voice, he had no one to talk to on his behalf, he had no counsel. For him, you imposed yourself as the ultimate authority. He had none of the privileges you are taking fully advantage of today. He had everything taken away from him that day, even the ultimate dignity of resting in peace near his loved ones who passed before him. We know that the words you hear today mean nothing. No human being capable of your actions are fertile ground to actually listen or care about anyone. Hear this. Adrian's life mattered. He had great loving parents who adored him since the moment he was born. He had family and friends who supported him and loved him until that terrible day, the day you and him crossed paths. We feel comfort knowing he is with his beloved parents right now. We don't need you to know your life had none of the same experiences. I think the ultimate penance for you would be to continue living your life in the path you forged for yourself. To live carrying the badge of honor of the crimes you've committed. You can't hide or run from who you are and the sufferings you've caused to others. Whatever your plea deal today, you know that your life sentence will be to live in your own skin. You took Adrian to prevent that from us, but you didn't take the life we experienced together, nor the love and place you will forever have in our family.
Thank you.
This courtroom video captures the emotional sentencing in the case of State of Texas vs. Roelio Sanchez. Under case number 2020CR10450, the defendant, Roelio Sanchez, was originally charged with murder following a tragic incident that occurred in the summer of 2020. During the proceedings, the state reduced the case to the lesser included offense of murder and agreed to waive the repeater enhancement paragraph. In exchange, Sanchez entered a plea of no contest, which, for sentencing purposes, is treated the same as a guilty plea. By accepting this plea agreement, he gave up several important rights, including his right to a jury trial and his right to appeal the court's decision. Presiding over the case, Stephanie Boyd carefully reviewed the plea agreement before announcing the sentence. Following the negotiated terms, the court sentenced Roelio Sanchez to 25 years in prison. The judge also made an affirmative deadly weapon finding, which can significantly impact parole eligibility, meaning Sanchez may have to serve a substantial portion of his sentence before becoming eligible for release. He was given credit for the time he had already served in jail while awaiting trial. However, the most powerful and emotional moment came during the victim impact statement. An advocate spoke on behalf of Adrian Buss's family, delivering heartbreaking words about the loss they continue to endure. The family expressed that Adrian had no opportunity for a plea deal, no second chance, and no voice in the outcome of his own life. They described Adrian as a beloved son and friend whose life was tragically cut short. In a final message directed at Sanchez, the advocate stated that while he faces 25 years in prison, his true life sentence will be the burden of living with his actions and the guilt that follows him every single day. This sentencing marks the legal conclusion of the case, but for the victim's family, the emotional impact will last a lifetime.